Dodo na ne tena ka mu kwantin ekotonyo mabegu ye shop mu se wo benya ne nyina ofako enno so ya asem foforo wo so to mfa ko sika so ne mpatamu anase achimota lapa se ko sinsawam. Jimmy Dale is your one-stop shop distribution for wholesale and retailers. Safa drinks, insure, enyane anase ade bia wo pe bia. So wo koton ko ade a enye bia wo se wo tu mu a Jimmy Dale. You can locate Jimmy Dale Ventures at Giga Junction inside Soto, or call us now on 0208-920-996. Jimmy Dale Ventures, the official sponsor for Samiflex TV.
Everybody check now. Check it. Fa check it. Fa check it. Check it. The beat is real. Don't will make it kill ya. Get your green select glucometer and check it. Sugar level, check it, check it. For check it, check it. For check it, for check it, check it, check it. Green select glucometer, check it. For check it, check it, check it. Push sugar level, for check it, check it, check it, check it. For check it, check it, check it, check it. Green select glucometer. Everybody check now. This advert has been vetted and approved by the FDA.
Are you an artist finding difficulties shooting your music videos due to financial situations, poor directing, or poor visuals? Then worry no more, because Kojokin Production, in collaboration with Flex Entertainment, are here to save your situation with a soft promotion package. From now till December, get a powerful top-class quality visuals to your music videos at a cool 2,000 Ghana cedis and the most interesting parties at your own choice of location. Won't pay way, now pay DN. For more details, just pick up your phone and call them on 0249817182. Get the best and a quality video.
Agrono yede na ebi wini na ebi so elusi na obebisa won say strategy bi wo mu ana ebi ade bi wo mu ebi so ane bi ni ana se chemo die ni bi yenko bompa e ne ka enyuma me di be de me bompa e wo Yesu di bi se enyum no ebe eti. Showbiz Daily live on Samiflex TV. It is about to get hotter and better. You guys should get ready. My name is Samiflex Nana Regan is in your shots. The team Don Solomon aka Chemo is right here, and I also have man like Kojo King. I'm out for some math Kojo King for the whole of this week. Kojo King, Tama Kojo King. I say a question maybe now. Or Simbo Fufu Fufu and nobody.
We are very dieting, Charlie. Full self.
Oh, dieting.
We dieting by Fufu. Charlie, Fufu, Mamma, quite ever mean to me. Cause it be see why. I'm winning it twice. Somebody wanna know. What's the come? You're too right in there.
I just I
don't cross my Chamo, people are not happy with I don't say them handle president's name, the security. So I'm saying you guys were too harsh.
Really?
I'm saying man no as a move chadapa too much.
Oh yeah, did you who say yeah director you be but almost security lapses now happen, you know. Is serious, and when we are talking about it, we should be serious about it. And you know, well, maybe in their opinion, almost doing say but uti details be even the young mokra wa hanebia ebikra obi nso be ka say ye soft dodo because ensem ni bi o ha uti a ehu anke betimi ama obi kra wuwom like uti said the all kana because lady no e patch say time o bag and ha kwa won planning bibi say robbery ebe robbery na o ho report nyina a say o de report ni bi kra kire ewo video nim say why report headquarters amanfo betimi ahu na ne suspicion is say Hobson Adoye na emo yes ade no in fact enu na image bi PP ya Hobson Adoye wo a hotel reception business ade ni nyina no enu na connected to the story no was it time na Robbie no happened to her no one ne friend back no na Hobson Adoye so kon hotel room no I don't think it's fair say obi betimi ayo obi sa no aka say enye serious ana say ebia president no ma yenka ho asema na bibi no yenka say ebia president oni feeling ontimi nye dobe no eno emfa obi aho but the be fire ho ye say ebia obe yusu in the quest of him having his time no obe ye careless ana obe ye ni security be ye nema bia ebetimi ebu abogana because lady no crowd at some point it me can boldly say oman kunu because say oye Canadian citizen they will have issue with Canadian government in India because before say ono ne die ni besi no na Canada phobia abakrum ha ebe yera aye na within a short time omo hu omo no at the same time na ono so any issue na si entino na ono gidi say na Canadian government no kra ne Ghana government akasa and it was more like man protect your citizen na bibi to na ebi ombenya diplomatic issue sa na ono kan say no kra say no kra but ono ni say odidi kra say bibi antunu because say oye Canadian citizen no because we report it embassy ho ne bibia wo ho ama o say letters are watro emails ne ade the exchanges between her and our president Anado Nini na our Canadian embassy attempt said they no accuse no and said they ebi okra according to her no Anado cry accept say as the course no onim hu bi in terms of one Hobson Adoye issues no no enye fesa.
You guys were not harsh on them.
I don't think we were harsh in any way because can say ebia Adenana do yes I want and you say you are not moral police.
I think we were protecting him more.
Yes. And your moral issue na kanwa. We were talking about security lapses a buy any who implications. And no na can ya touch on say ebia why Argentina or compare ba na
CCTV photos via time arms or hotel.
Hotel hotel no there according to lady no ono Hobson Adoye di ni dinner a bookie ma lady no and to okọ ho na oka chem say o ni key na yira omoma na fofo and oji and okoram and it wasn't like ebia okọ bribe hotel obi adabi hotel na nkasa na bookie in the name of Hobson Adoye bibi ana ha and o say audio ono na mama release audio na Hobson Adoye catch receptionist and they say I've misplaced my key, give me new one. And it was a honor, audio ni back out, I will be able to. And the Okokas have misplaced my key, and or G and or Koy, because I'm about audio net security footage. Or it the key time and Sana hotel no a release amount after say or no to me a report no one near that dinner. And Sana hotel convinced say, okay, you may be in danger, so let's give it and the mom or see there was a video cry Hobson Adoye dia babon tin say obey or obesiu golden tulip so o my sad no
why is it
according to lady or say Hobson Adoye eba out because obesiu golden tulip say o mo
ASEPA calls for a parliamentary inquiry into the allegation of a staged robbery on a Canadian citizen in Ghana in 2019.
And the we are not talking about moral issues. Say Abia Adena Nana Bako Trim Nana Be say or hate it on somebody no. And no Nana we were talking about security issues. I may involve.
I see. Nana, so you're okay.
Yeah.
What was what me follow extra? And I see.
Say, Omaka say,
yeah, you were very hard.
I think that you're more cunning because me personally, I didn't want to touch on the moral aspect and the other side of the story because most of them are not confirmed details. Yeah, I'll be so I can say analysis also. So I just took the security aspects, where if the America said president, the security one on loose. And that is what we were just discussing. So I don't know. The Bemobia Castle were too harsh, and I say the
okay. Yeah, sometimes I'm more following it. I'm also to make sure margins. I think it happens that. Yeah. Anyways, guys, thank you so much. We are set to do another powerful edition of Showbiz Daily. Remember, you are watching this on King Tom TV as well as on Samiflex TV. Subscribe to our channel. This is the home of real showbiz content in Ghana. Nobody beats us. We are #1. So until you subscribe to the channel, you didn't get to know what we are talking about. And my charges are here. Kojo King, Intimbo Solomon, Nana Reagan, show put together by Digital Rasta Currency, Richie Flex, Yaola PG, Tina Baby, and Gideon Neelam. My name is Sammy Flex. Remember, you can talk to us on the number on the screen. Give us your WhatsApp messages, your text messages, but you cannot call. And I can talk to you before you are number 4 preference. Messages, send the messages. Now, but anyway, if you call us after the show, we can still talk to you. Maybe you want some promotion, you want some music video shoots, or after the show, we can talk to you any day. This is a family, so let's set this run in our ear call. Now, I can't say I give you a trim industry, but in trim until we read this story we Ghana way. Darko Vibes. He's one of our hit makers in Ghana. Oba industry more matinya hits kakra o kromwa obodi ababo Darko Vibes thing. Now okan asem when I'm say, hey, I thought it's not happening anymore to artists and their managers, but it looks like it is happening. He says Darko Vibes shares his biggest problem with Ghanaian event organizers. Darko Vibes shares his biggest problem with Ghanaian event organizers. A few of the story. I say Darko Vibes asserts that Ghanaian event organizers mostly fail to pay artists. He described the refusal to pay artists after a performance as his biggest challenge. Darko Vibes shares an interesting experience with a Ghanaian event promoter, where he said that he was charging money is the most difficult thing for me as an artist. Charging for shows is very difficult here in Ghana. They don't give you what you charge for, or in some cases, they don't even pay you at all. What we take comfort in mostly is that even if you are not paid, we have fans that love us that we have to satisfy. Promoter, producer, we need our video kakra. If there is no video there, then we can go on. Okay, producer said video via encounter. Just the story, just as you've heard, no. Darko Vibes says still, Ghana industry, no. Say yenko yanimo support your own. No. Still, event promoters be wa. Onyo mo ye juma, omuntu aka. Kutoki mama no start na artist manager. Na nkasa dey be atwa
Hey, drum cry. I say,
in this modern abumo now we say mo mobile parents are ready to try.
I say, and yes, say, Sikaro na mo. Boapayo, and one person. Oh yes, and yes, it's Kano Monsan come, but Boapayo.
Promoter Nikitas Kano.
Oh, Cressy Kano.
But what chairman at Nassau?
Of course, what Nassau? What is Kano pa? But when you so system ni more than that. Oh, more brain, you know. My sure amount maybe I also budget 10,000, no amount 5,000. Tell 5,000 I can say me cry my wadoy. It already come out be. But when you go when you be send the account on Saveka.
Should I argue that in the world where your artist now must have no team might lose? Should I argue that?
Yeah.
And the world you power now say, oh, you bet you are 10,000, you 5,000, oh bah. You bet you are 5,000 and all the time agreement here, you bar, you bet this can answer the abo.
Yes.
It's your child money to is your team not loose?
In a way, you bet me I can say with team no lose. But you cannot you're realistic in our circles here. So person we that straight as an artist or a brander, you have to be ready to face the wall. Because event organizers you can crabina side juma. I bet me a car will say memfa artist way, artist A and artist B and to so. Say we are ready, so best stand on your grounds. now be face you head on can we say e be do be no so mo mfre obi o enti the fear say me ko any gidigidi a on frame me biem for the next show no eno nti no no ma yedin no mo te ho but senka ye betimi ayama na tu atwa eno ani say e ba asa no the legal implication the legal action be say we take no no I take it because ebia enye the first time onipa no ode aye ono no okay me time ye ni artist we ko ball show big show that show ni dey sika ho but on my half no your boy show ni we be sine when to half no I just don't
I more agree say
we agree that this is and even sikampa ebi mo jije na nyesa na ode ma ye o but he felt so Charlie I'm doing you guys a favor meanwhile no sir on that night and the kind of performance that we give the show it was one of the best performances on the night but up to the balance no I'm famba and oyaka say be out the be court and now be any here but be a we are say subsequent events no on through you and we live in a space event hoarding shows class obenya bi abono say nyesa wo ben obi pa na edin say obenya bi abo etino obeye din etino ebi wo a omo ye loose na enche say bi a omunyim the right thing to do but they are just protecting themselves say be ya da amabinu ebi obetimi asan de enya bi abo ko odwin so at least be bre no but onipa no so nya agege no otimi efa phone frame but it is happening which is very bad and not say bi a ono no tebo na organize event na ono nya risika o wanya risika most of the events no bi a enye one the oil event na gasa na edere e obi ono no edi anim oliezi between one artist no it ono no je sika no no ono abe negotiate with the artist or just kana no transfer.
See, and so still you don't want to blame the artist and his charges.
Me to blame artists no any of charges because already we know say yes there were challenges were most artists need team papa bi o say or peer or legal team near the idea or follow near mano professionally. It's some of the event organizers no ejina so sad no so the day ebu just say be a big ones never come in be any omo there with me for omo crambo the video big guys no credit the video e bi o wa omo person be out as a disgrace on their own brand omo keep no cool na be ka but the idea happening is very very appalling and yet
I see Kojo King and our mind the opening statement on Asama Dako Vibes Aka. The story is on Ghana Web. I think it came with a video as well. And 2% Uzunya Senior Kana Obetimi Atwaso. Or say one thing event organizers a big challenge as a musician say Okobosho Muntia. So what it means that Dako Vibes the level I would dream hits our women the Okobosho na Libya Kosu we know Kojisika Abam na promoters here Johnny. Kojokin say industry no yet mean nice idea still because you na every so you want to be as with Sadia. But what do you also think? Let me get your opinion on YouTube, let me get your opinion on WhatsApp, and remember you are watching this on Sammy Flex TV as well as on King Tom TV Showbiz Day. Now it was also by artist pan. I'm what you so.
I'm say I have a host and Zemeti a day if an artist like Dako Vibes. Yeah. Because the brand Dako Vibe, in my imagination, I was feeling say on you be was a sign of my return. In fact, a high demand artist. Yeah. Minim promoter.
See I'm not here on the video anymore.
Minim promoter and the back castle bears a big answer now because do one hour show no coffee now friend now text now in few. I mean me I will blame him the artist and then on the charges the team on I will blame them 100%. But I mean the woman say promote the beer kwashe them when I say about the organizing events. Na say per artist they are to so. Omoye meeting. They share the public demand
for the artist.
For the artist. Answer na ya ka say oh ebi okra itimi fa ebia dancehall artist ni no. na in the meeting and I say so we and the crowd no pulling no very over we and I said when we decide before crap and said they are picking from and then the team of could do come on charges or be charges. Into what it means and they say once a man who say demand was wrong at that point no to me power be. Most of our artists and I don't know say I know say ignorance so say then you maintain up to now and new year say you we to me my promoter do picture to poster so flyers so no are running ad or TV ni radio so we are ebi a date in crab say 1 month time you what train to kwan crab wa rush wa bagana na wa ba na ebi wa say no 50% of the money pay now team titi o sa no ma ko ton tade no ma sa mo se aso mo gu ka mo akọ venue ho mo ko amọ titi o no mo sa se shisha wo se ebi na mo go smoke na mo smoke ya mo nya guess na nsrehe na mo miemi o mo na den na mo wi am ko gina stage ni so na fast body mo bia sometimes mo minim se ebi mo do ho no ma they get motivated by the crowd na wo ho no.
No, he said that in the
na ha na mitimi and they say oh crowd they wo here dey channel no chala for mount stage no amount no like Kojo Kanye, or my kill show no, we are better than the game. I know expect to promote and first camera. That time, no more excuse. Charlie say, Charlie, my busy while they do now. What will show Navy? At that point, a mistake. Me, I will not blame it, even though a on the part of the promoter, so or the Sabi artist beyond. A 1 hour man will no boo kwasia. Into before na say I will put the sound come you raise issues
that's why I asked Lapi, let's talk about this. Because if today's world and it's not a new artist, of course, like you be a fan. I can't say more. I know now crowd me say Shatawale ultimate. You see, and also the memo I say Shatawale be. And I say that's why. Oh, that's why you say Shatawale.
Oh, what did you? Oh,
it won't happen. So the opposite. So no yeah now dey say show no person oboma wa obaba be bo ama but so person Jinisika forget it and you know that
ono ko betimi agye kwa later now what is oma
enti obi anu nika
yeah the shatter ko Blaze on the Hills and say organizers no that did not sakodi or way the way or the masak shatter do no who no negotiation them say bibi anko ye no demand the money for more.
That time no also to me make a why you promote audience na expecting so beba enti send me sika ansa na maba e bia dey na kanopa unu team no chale sika no ma hwese alert aba na ma frɛ promoter no masa mo se ye ndu ho no mo 6 o'clock o e boy bia 5 na sika de ye nya alert you bet train you bet train mama send me answer na yaba. This should be some of your communication and then me just say we that the lumba crap no who decide we be oh ma so 2 minutes kita oh say the moment I you lose pay obi anybody at all can take advantage of you and in your time that Koba is not an artist so because say okay say there or no person both free shows be DJing the and I say some of the artists when they are coming up they feel like oh brass I be show them I make Bobi na oh Asimesi show them I make Bobi na aha what you would use no do baby it's me they may blame on any team no almost set up no kind of story no we did some part of the story because say even the charging and crying anything say all charging crying like how
because
Jai didn't know nobody let me tell you one thing.
Relationship is Dako vibe Charlie show 20K. Oh boss, I mean say okay, Brasami, I beg you, make you do 10K. That 10K there. That be relationship. No. It's just like we do for artists. Oh, Brasami, you pay video, Charlie video they are called ordinarily. Yeah, they are chocolate 10,000. But you need for 5,000 brand in your mouth. And also 5,000 more with 2,000. They are
that's why you see some of this attitude and this the way Mujuma say contribute to the mess of the industry.
Yes.
Because who or the ones or one man who Darko vibe, one man who kind or the iron. Artist bia or under Darko vibe bia or be fele say or authority be and power be over all of them. Into money now they don't have to enjoy anything. And that is why this artist struggle. But who want to near they say that Shatawale man near the ya on the way to Nisika on saying now at some point after when Shatta was returning, yeah, artists be more craft na no omoye barter trading. Mami say na member show me we are messing up one mami. Or buy your baby in the dinner maybe a bit more yeah na do some point, you know. That same relationship that he was losing, or so we need na be time be say ya sana was a artist no put you don't me lose when lose a relationship na that should be a charity case and now pay now one now never be a
never we no they let me aboa a contract when say sure no offer me we have there should be a contract sika no be a utua
50%. Even verbal contract
wait, sir, the Darko vibes it's not as if they don't sign contract. They sign the contract. The contract always stipulates clearly say mudrua the rest of the percentage as no, that's how it is done.
No, but yeah, so that is the ideal way. But are they doing it? They don't do it. If really pass many one sign contract, it's a say if I get there, I get part full payment and sign my boat. So why? That's why you are free to go to court. Wait. Anyway, you okay said
no, say a need to contract mukra pa modim komo. Say komo na si mukra here we don't respect verbal. Now James are there saying
maybe you are an artist manager, a promoter, and you've encountered some of these issues. Share with us. Let's talk about it. Chemo, Koswe.
Na nani gamru fo ntokwa ni nti namnum se o de befa ho manzo masha na
Nemo ya kaze na ko vibes sa audio kaze na man sa na share. Nemo me that.
Standard no artist no more bre na dey all can true just me surprise say Darko vibes na edibidi no na mnim say be bia I underground artist bia na bibi by Darko vibes are or a hits a war like or at this time like bo A-list artists are over bonidin ebia onye first one kana list no obewumbi na onon pa na edidi ni say dia na chese asem no ehu ba bibi say no nka people like Gamro think omutimi boa na omo service and the whole thing is no there be yes the mechanism say on say they are doing something in the interest of the artist. And the BBC said there should be a standard. Omo de be back out omo be educate omo members. Say okobo show na ya mfa paper contract ama dwene ho bi. And yes later mo me accuse say ya anye royalties ama mo like you can do it in a way omo nyina be hu say no. Because it's a standard no ha and they can negotiate better because onim say all demand for contract na wa meba o de call artist bi wa on to be can the same thing and do no here obeba but omo challenge ba ko ni say oba na wo ye contract o say wo pe book same do obe call artist bi ho no I forget you ejina ha no agenti no e ba sa na say okay ene ye nyina yenye we ye bie because enka contract ewu ma enye verbal one written one enka won betimi a shame some of the organizers na nka omo money bewu enka o the contract na beto out say this is the contract I sign or so untia or the koyo people from to there but this is the contract I sign or so untia sa organizer no kra no say offer artist bi artist ni badwene ho bi but standard bi ani ho then omo mbe boan amasa standard bi say aba e say Gamro music amone ho na omo nso so nye engine omo members no e dey papa pan no mo ye mom apart from say omo jiji music na omo atibi afa e dey no mo ye mom e say omo seek the welfare of the members moye bibi a ebemo mo enye bibi before they even get to a stage a be charity case it is said ye can eno I think say eno ye problem ne kese ba ko pa standard na eni ho na omo de omo no na charge no okay because no crane say oba na oye paper some a ebe connect person ho obi kra book to me fu ho na ono aba be fe say hwe me frɛ no kra na o se contract na den na onu mombu afu mi wa contract nti nke be boa mu mienu nyina sa woni artist ye contract na se dan duru ho na wa ma enye usika keke no nko de ma wo ese nko compensate you wa say we show ba omo nwene ho sa because onu no ni trimu no kra metia half na de aka no mintia
wa fa na
ho adwene dada then di eden ba ye de betimi aya ne se ye be ka ho asem na ya educate artists say omo nyina omo nkamo in fact omo per unity a bibi say na say omo ya eye unity ne say we can ya na obi afa kira kwadi bi na say eyi no enu na hia
I see. Thank you. Team Dodi Solomon Chemo earlier, Kojo King spoke and Nana Reagan also spoke. But Mamite they also kind. Ebia now they all feel say event promoters no me wicked. Jungle is massive. Ebia now feel some they wicked now. They are not treating the artists right. And I say artists they are being unprofessional. That's why they are not getting their monies. Today we are still on artists. Producer video with the Shabami Asana Drew story now. Nigerian singer Zlatan gives his lawyer a brand new Rolex wristwatch. Hey, this is a tenny at the kakra. First story there, artists are event promoters entry of right. Now in this next story, you caught Niger. We're going all the way to Nigeria, where Ghana Web has reported that Nigerian singer Zlatan Ibili has gifted his lawyer a brand new Rolex wristwatch. In an Instagram video, the rapper was spotted presenting the gift to his lawyer. It said, "Thank you for being a wonderful lawyer, for being a good supporter. She had always been positive about everything. Positive prophecies, it would work, and I just think that you deserve this and many more to come," he said while presenting the gift. While accepting the gift, the music star's lawyer also revealed that it was her first ever Rolex wristwatch. Producer, I heard video no. Video na member Ghana na me say obi me person mo nwi wow. Na mo hwehwe mo di artist bi Ghana bi artist bi a ne manager bi ne promoter bi ne publicist bi ne lawyer
omunubi asamba no mubi ana mo lawyer ne Jerry Abonogbo ne dada anaza asamba no friend ni ye wodi asamba ne friend no
omo ntanya asem
no hu na we mu no enka sa wo ko di sika na ye bi aka mu no omo na nke di akire ma
da cover the
enu ne ye ka no omo ni lawyer asamba ne afra omo
Stoneboy lawyer yeah sa ko de lawyer
Stoneboy wa ha na maka de enka ya
okay yes video yeah let's talk about this one.
Yeah. Congratulations, man.
Thank you.
Yeah. Congratulations, man.
Thank you. You have made my day. Thank you very much.
God bless.
I appreciate this from the bottom of my heart. I love you. This will make me do more. This will make me do more. Now I know what time it is. Now I know what time it is.
Okay, it is Zlatan. Ono ne lawyer when you the manager. In fact, lawyer quite on time for me. When sure say on time for because lawyer there. If you have contract, be a lawyer ready my na check grammar ne my no pay. We no require on time, but utimi nanti ya my lawyer na on time no. On time no on any road. Yes, on any road na they be a kwa no. Na lawyer na dream bad dream. I say, lawyer, Rolex watch the boarding. In fact, the boarding pound. But they a year that we never check more money.
Member watching.
Oh, dear.
Against Baba.
Nonsense. Now, for information, it is not as if Onja lawyer they cow. Onja pepe. Anka, yes, he is not under any obligation. But But the lawyer says something, and that is where my interest is. I say, hey, this will make me do the work more. I say, this will make me do the work what? More. I want us to bring it back. Now, I say, me now perform for a team film. Or maybe a Ghana, how your picture, bisa, your story, bisa, nanka. Ghana name is Yamwana Basso. Men kasa munye ba mpesa mo form team form na omunye bia ono so sie ye nyina so mo na baso se ne ye boss latana baso na se bidi ho de a ne ye biza na de ne ekofo no mutimi nye bi o de se omuni lawyers impa omo publicist ya omo tro mo nsem every day every night omo road managers bi o kwan so ontimi na ne fie koni artist ni ba go chi ba 4 ontimi na na indirectly to talk a challenge because at every point on in now the book on said any can't artist na car not them enti on na ma na the hobby no of fan the market that on any net na na busian for ne ma ne yire we job no the artist na kisa sometimes do cry akobo show cry percentage akra cross the more no the matter be on the manager call bruchire Omukwa bruchi percentage that all the big no so they are shopping. And also they are shopping the abano. Wenya. Hey, manager ne kan ko yeso say, "Oh, tell me spa kwa bruchi ni bi o me ba." Ma bi say, "Oh, na bra, then na dey buy ye." When you see kebi kwa fanya shopping. So like I'm asking, ebia mo mabaso. Ebi nya ebia, I den the money e bin sa. Na all start with the gambro for na here.
How to buy people's loyalty and trust. And Nigerians are very good at that. You see the first sentence if you lawyer remember this will make me do more.
Yeah.
And you know kwao. Ochinebi what to say Nigeria for lawyers there. Omo form what to see Niagara on say these are some of the motivation. Obi lawyer bi su tifie bi obehwe. Ebi kwa no ni creative art industry no hu etimu papa bia be. Onya hwe pe na betimi amoti boys omo timi show love so omo timi ye bibi say okay, and yeah, as soon as you buy me honest time, now come in be pono, but I feel the need be pono. Man. Some of these things, but I can tell you the way it motivates and inspires people to work.
I have no idea.
But young crow for you, dear brother, man. You move be ye dear, be much every my good move, and then the young can you move. So some of our people, I think what they are good at, and I say, be a modu pay now, chili. If you are not the way to climb, we are lucky. I
got on someone.
I know we are lucky. Nanny bookie and I got John Abu Bondi. Why are lucky and say I do it to Quabu Sherry? No, Aquaba. Now, on one set, pass on mobile. Yes, oh, hey, Nana Regan cry, with me, you say in Yamazi, a woman, a contributed to Abia, mentioning success in the industry, and I say in my career and okay, what the Matoshu wage. We Ghana artists we incorporate and about 2 pet and two pet. Sometimes when you say omo ben omo pan the crown a break is here. They say road managers no one because most of the time no or person ya there no wa bonting. No or do you public sympathy and I say public love will be. But nipa no ben there one the person dey announcement so but they go say na nyan kofo capture na bloggers show nipa se me say say manipa we na say no akasa ebi wuti me kra cha bontin so for car na nkrofo mu di na chi na ye do mu ye car no na form no koba na ni shoe are enti omunsia sa de na e brasa me ye ha die me kan su do omunim ye and this as nyama we nkitinkiti we na dey support le beba o nyama nkitinkiti udi obi tukwan e bia nso ba watimi enye bibu a shopping bia bro obi o de banner na ni beji o ka hu se sa nipa no so obusia the moment now on fan struggle nko obusia fie bie ma ne maame ana na busia we so oh enam ni pass na so yesukra na me bai mi nyen mi kumi enya baby ejina etimi enya nyama bi sei etimi enya enimonyam bi sei asa what omodo forever.
That's true.
What omodo omoso mo nama omoso mo be kan bi ama
Me boarding sir.
yes omo boarding pasa be odi onya na wa che ne kakra mo ho kakra na obu okapa o mane ne site kurasi kakra chen ne publicist yes
Ejuma so na ye.
Ejuma no so publicist na ye.
Na ye na sika na ba.
There ya wo mkrapo ne say sometimes krapo e bia nsem hunu bia pa o social media na ohia damage control na anajo no of fraud na on dem Twitter for na ye.
Oya ko solution.
Say say na na e ben ni do ye fanfan. And so ocean side chick no or side check and or tunu go to mama
na orgasm. Alright, so this is an act worthy of emulation. We are sure say eno and they inspire na di unkomo say oh so artist be sure amani nyefe keke. Sometimes you see when it comes to gifting and you kesi you and the value. The moment I would be mobiles, oh, me to way
and find your example. There's an actress on Shada in your popular to say Yvonne Nelson and one with your friend of Rabbi Blake.
Rabbi Blake.
Me name no baby a rasa me. Me name no baby I was Kokobi. Now so kana or friend or so lady ni pese or you be no here TV interview. And sometimes a link in light TV for morning show be so not go by. And no one no brasa me. No one lady need to coin or back perfume or to coin obu amo anu ma na wa fe na na mpacho mama delivery ebu come from you na delivery guy from me and obi se me fa be bin bro adeni be ba e be ba be du be hwemu na efi no and so that me say me to am feel guilty say I don't know lady we cry me sorry am church on stories instead of me the Twitter and Instagram the stories enti oh yes sir me su crap man ye ejuma bi kra mpushi we ejuma na me su ti be boa yes.
This is the inspiration we want to tap from the Zlatan story. So if you are watching us, it is not as if we are coming after Ghanaian artists. What we are looking forward to achieve is to encourage them to also do same. People work for them, sometimes from scratch. You sacrifice, you work for all these artists. One year, the open pay beer, club beer, and more.
And fans.
Shout out.
That be. We want more than shout out.
Yeah, rather me.
They do.
Na oka say yenhwe say ebia artist bia ye bizarre. I don't know say metimi dey atuju about ye top artist ni baako. Ni fie bi e wo Islegon na me source che say o Tony 2 baako ye no manager dia na baako ye ono so dia. Indi no me confirm and I mean deny no
but mati bibi sa around sa kodida it is a bigger
yeah I can't confirm or
deny
because on say rumor no dey na say no what say adam
na wodi ne say
me dey na artist I think say it's true so I won't confirm or deny it and you know I think say you bebo bi dey there bia sa nipa na oyes
nipa be
jabo wa voice wa
asi e bo di bia
oh la mi say na better me say me can say ye beka say Ghana
ye bo nya ye fa de maka no
o mo for mo fe no every me homa sa na me pese me kan
okay mo be body na mo fa ni
there's a me flex attitude mo fa
asembanza kazo
mo fa there say enipa no say o pese ba out enke bia o ye ho dede ba anye dede sa nti no say onya privilege na o ti bibi sa you don't just give it out you know yeah you know I think that they can do more just said the union I can say oh yes ana appreciation ni ba sana na support ni ba no me support ama kan go fu binti ase no sa na tie nti so omo pe support a ebi so ho ne TikTok videos ne ade nyina na obi bi say na eso omo ye me ni say ofre TikToker bi onum so ye popular na o ka say me hu say o ya ade o je ring light na ya ade ayo video sa nipa no o video bi be ba on fanye da ring light ne so ne bo nya din
no I think chemo wakasem kese pa esa ye nyum no o timi mi say o ska bi mu me wa be ring light not on 300 Ghana cedis
150 cedi kwa wo
exactly
na oni na wa frɛ no na o se be Jennifer support de o ye no o ma diwe ne fa ye o mo so be ye o mo de instead of so because you don't support us, use our music to do whatever person mo ye no and you know we be encourage you say obi kan papa ye de ontumi force obi say onye papa by bit me advice obi say onye papa ne boa nti sa na be say omu nsia de sa Zlatan ya akwa akoyi sa no onye sa keke wo say obeso ye sa onu su beje bibi efrim.
Exactly.
Well, appreciate the enipa na ya man.
With this, I will do more now. Yes. I'll do more.
Well, appreciate the enipa na ye, but we know say kwa no kra besa man nya more. Because the funny thing is that we are saying one of no successful people get more opportunities than omunya bi no. Wow, always can you choose come more kra chen obi a oni ska.
I think I agree.
Yeah, that's how it is. I don't you know open more, then you do what will bring you more. And never boy. I see nyina you follow. Yeah, lawyers here so many artists as them there. Media made see me p. I can say Ghana had there be artists no more lawyers. As them omo as them ba na afro libi. I know they don't know.
Okay, Mahudi Okano. Almost like contractual lawyers.
Lawyers are
reading
their contracts, advising them on their negotiation.
It's only when they have a matter which demands the service of a
lawyer. Now,
Obu standby.
Obu say, okay, any friend we here now or my friend. Any be no more. But I know just won't mean blame more pe. Lawyers and answers call Musa. Oma ye wo mu nyina no omo no ayi no omo pe land litigation e honest kind wo e de ono mu nyina chesi e no omo property lawyers ne ayi no omo ne wo mo. I think say this is the time ye law school no we ma menya agama kakra ye law school no omo nzam hu no omo di no omo feli amanfo on say ayi ene me hu story bi say omo say omo mu deny omo no entry no to the law school no omo say move 400 a pass afi de omo mra omo after omo go demonstration no omo say parliament aye review say about 400 of them can go to the law school now. Any jimmy be say omo say what is it, what happened Ghana how unim say obe pass law school no dey cry chance obe pass a medical school by young some medical school in law school there yes and other there exams no cry na easy to pass law any medicine o ma mo hwe mo fa kwa dwundwun law ni medicine dey hin na nipa fail ba but law amanfo fail law chance on be medicine which is so unthinkable. Ghana na sa adini besi onko country bi aso a so difficult to pass law exams than to pass medical exams. No, this is Ghana and yesre yempenyin for no say omo senka omo doso lawyers ni doso and the comedy bi na so omo na aye land litigation ni property hwan a enka ebinum kwa be force omo into the entertainment industry.
Exactly.
Then ka on into so ababe another market for them boy. We don't have entertainment lawyers in Ghana. But elsewhere you lawyers are almost demand no. We have some. No. Oh, there be one no Morris Ampao there no you say assembly aba opeso okabi. Yeah. Into ono ankasa mama be celebrity lawyer. Ono ankasa o celebrity. And o lawyer. Into ono no dey say akobisa ni say sa entertainers no anase artists no hwan na o man o one no contractor o nya bi ma Osofo Anthony the any the same thing say Osafo nya asem e no afa no no ya ma no.
Yeah, Jamo, you are right.
Oh, ye ni bi say me ma friend na me de ne ma ayi bi da ayi Salinko issue ne ba ya no. Me friend no eni di bibi sa no oye eno na me eze nka na Salinko wo lawyer da asem ni si foforo na no o friend say lawyer asem abo ye ne de na o ma dwene ho enti no I think say ye omo ye entertainers na omo seeking for lawyers in that way na ye law school ni ye lawyers ni so no omo bi mu na ye nya bebre omo sanso so brasa me omo ye statistics na about 90% of lawyers na omo nyina wa kra wow engino buza ho say Kumasi Cape Coast Temale ni hwan no lawyers wo ho omo nyina wa kra and the honor the lawyers na bia the whole
most of them they move from here to go
omo cases ba omo move from Accra to the place
I know
omo nyina oni Kumasi ano mo Accra but omo mo Accra no kwa do so che omo mo Kumasi no and it means say lawyers ankasa so ye hia bi okromo a omo sa ne ansa kwa ne asa pe bi ama omo nyanse hu na omo bebre mre me say de be ya because omo ya ma ye kra na yenko law school bi ane yi no law issue I handle no omo so ma law school
pocket lawyer team do the same what they say
we go mo what they say onu dey course you don't know what is going on and
it's just to like I said encourage you guys to do more kojo to asma me na yen share your final story
enka assembly or Proverbs chapter 11:24 make everything new international version. Say, one person gives freely, yet gains even more. Another withholds unduly, but comes to poverty. There's obi one in say, Onyashi, but obi a wabi mu oma no. They be are not saying more. Your kiss be what we are seeing more. A boa brabo. And giving is one. Okay. Obi an yemi or child, you know. Then you pan a hunch senator. Because, say, what you be at there? Nipano, I say, Obi to make us a minyamini. To what see a yami. It was also quite, aye, Charlie. Security and Kenya, some friends, pa, the man was didn't come a woo. Yanko Poinshano. Then Yanko Point, Eshrown. In your science, Rana, you go soon, you know. A cow was a fool. It will be a or ye giver. Anything a Muslims no for size giving in India or your bonnet for said and cry giving in India. Because if you try to one never be brave. So who will be on him sad and a wow. Ghanaian musicians, some of them are very petty and mean. Ghanaian musicians found say Obeche Chalwati at their dinner Chiako interview.
That's the real thing.
And I say show and follow because obviously you say or no ye artist no. The PA na near we say we na artist no na we follow me back. On dream say tell it akwa who fin dey say egu me ehu fin. Go me no me nam. Obi okura na wo na wo dress here ya. Eh, na adena wa udi bechi na wa dress sin me. Me wan so no wa dress ni wa ni onyam na wo de ade ata na chi. Ama manfo say oh Charlie, the team we dey hey Charlie omo akwedo ohwo mu yi o. Oh no. Me guys say because wa sika na that to atare na wa show. But ono no beji glory no because opia hey Charlie, hey sakode ni the team o Charlie. Stone boy ni the team wo hu. Which our Nigerians don't mind. Nigerians no betimi do ni team be 20 obia ko boutique obia nyi ni open omo ba full force ye hu ni o ya artist simple cause obia dripping but ye hey Charlie na o me na be he wana and so ade no we na akọ bro we na makọ show asikaba oh Charlie so we dey ma oje 100 BT 100 no I don't know how to be faka don't mean to atare ewu o ntimi nko so oni ne betimi akọ boutique no no akọ yi niema hey obi yi niema o ntimi ga so Charlie je Lacoste baako na ye nyina ye kwa ya hye ne aye fine onye
who dey be go but we say tia ne
oh of course ni nyina ne say on pese wo ne no ebe ye pe mu nyina on be dress aye fine na wakọ se na ebe ye ebe hu no enti de bia de alatafo no ebe twa om sa to say omo obesi so ma de eno de bia ye pe bia kwa hwa you say how but hwa oh yeah the bomb because hwa na standard no
adia no mo so mo de boy
exactly adia
ko do say minim abranti bia o ma artist be deal bi artist ni ekoje deal na deal ne go through e be see na abranti so ni how much impo a akwanje
and you know
what the man deal no but oh jai ko fo bi ton vena e bi o omo bisam say one me nti wa teacher e wa na koje bra na e de ko e akwana koje deal no agi de o mina the okache ni so me ko e ko mama me 50 because mama me 50 say na dia da chimpo o ko negotiate ya o be kam e beti ne the guy doesn't even know how much went to but you akwaje mi
that is how wise we are na afi ababe dan service be ajimi for say me meti hey unim ye ekoso na obi po obi ayade na ma fa phone so yemfre na renya na ma me afro na wakwaji sika na onka me na onka me no say no am next time me dey no afro obi so who loses who no lose because me recommend you obi
never.
But instead of being so Charlie, let me go back to New York. Otimi kai we go ni pane dosun. And otimi hu me no frame no. Ma me nko no ho na me den. Me mfa bi kakra nya den command. Say na o chena onya bi mo be san de akai me no onye. That is how our people are. Ade a ode ama ni e ono ane ho ana ode ama. Ye kan say achede a e ade a eche. Enye say bi ade na ode ama na ensay but memory no forever. Obi anu a obi acha na dia ne refi side ni panada. Me kai swa ma me bi ye aduane. Na odi bread na me unexpected odi good basket ni. Hey, as me refi da. Almost be a 20 something years but still me kai obi a wacha wadi bia so obeka ade ne ye akra na hu nipa na obeka nti se ache de ade ne eche memory ni che enti saadi o de ama maami e na nya ade bi akeke o e ade a se o quantify no ba cash mu a ne bo odin pa enti onipa ne fade ne bia na obo na okai a sa nipa we wa ya ade ama me a e sa me so me ye bibi ye de e hye na mu ye na nanom ka se so bi che wa ade a na wa how because e dey some sense of so odin ka bi eto so ma sa nipa no akwanya bia ba se so oboa na o prentama eden aye ayi nsafiri ho ama ono so on so dwen no enti sa ni ma kiss nkiti bia se osua na sa asem a mo kan a kwa me yoji musu say TikTok for my friend ona abode ne na mesma no nya ona abode unim ne da until so obenya a 50,000 500,000 followers on TikTok no no oye obi 100 followers and o tweet or then onyum ye tweet ma o numbers ni bi me follow no but then now onya sa numbers no you think say you need or no services no what prevents you from picking the phone to call him say oh Charlie mo say o baduma pa kwa me udi ni pa mo say o baduma da ben be say me no ye meeting ni e discussion bi what kunu say kwa me udi afre na wo wie obampo onka sikasam uwie o Charlie jibibi kakra na de mo post me no eno and we don't know how to do it so our brothers our neighboring brothers no omo nim keys we always be no they will keep winning e fake crampo na obeya de no ama di pana will say yes but I think so obi onim sa de ne ye Shatawale Shatawale de sa ne man de oye say o talk our money o to ka bi money
no na sekra o catch me say na me think about 3 years in prison by ya o me think about no say omkobo you have to share this
no
also watch a deputy car
yes
na say also watch
so the beach and fan being so
yeah Moses
yes and a basika any idea they see a crowd of tis can be a business. I say madam Gaba was yes and one was say. This sad and Charlie.
No one can back a very disappointed.
Sad and Charlie.
Got your granddad wow.
Oh yeah, wow. Because you need oh, you are naturally or when you power head and it helped. Oh, you know, or the we do trust ne or don't kitty here. The actually the giving it's good. It's very good out. Yeah.
Okay, guys, Showbiz Daily right here on Samiflex TV. You're also watching it on King Tom TV here in Ghana. Remember, you can also be part of the conversation. The only thing is that send us your messages on WhatsApp, live on YouTube, Samiflex TV. Remember to also subscribe to the channel as well. If you want to link up with us, that is the number on the screen, 0243514732. Guys, yeah, share story we need to be actually be there, Samiflex TV for now, Yapon.
Actually, now
about your artist. We are Steve Crawford in Bina.
Oh,
Charisma. Okay, tell me what I'm saying. The guy here, Steve, man is the kind of professional. Could you mind starting come away? The moment Ghanaian artists, they be releasing you via Friday.
Wow.
Yes, it is because most of the online streaming platforms no. Friday economy the mom.
Okay.
Until we say and you be releasing you Friday. Until we do Friday and you be brave and a babonting. And they say okay, the black are lazy, we are lazy. Now be brave nego system sir. Sadly na boy because yen dey tell me bisa say boy and say they take all these orders from iTunes now see for iTunes now no OJ Friday they are maybe an microphone releasing you na can say nipa be 200 million and na omo ye fans say community ni mo no nipa be sa e na eji sa de ba yen 35 year nipa be 10 meanwhile the consumers na we make a credit 35. But yes, I know they have global audience as well. But the TBA their community they receive you more and some other ones not come. Friday. If you say Friday bedroom, you cry and they just say you might not know.
It's true.
Here is some new song. Are we all aware with Ethia? I did black, I releasing him, we're releasing him. Baby, should we move away from their system and create our own system?
Okay, I think to the best of my knowledge, you know, Gini said the guitar stores strictly say
yes
Friday.
They do.
Say Friday one you be releasing.
They do, especially iTunes.
Yes, maybe iTunes, but some so may a couple of them for
releases. Yeah.
Yes. The amini say, oh wait me a mom say me per se and no way bad date way. No my ama. It I think say young crop for no more prefer Fridays no. Maybe every one person mo hear some events be and they can be a weekend but platforms no there oga said ne ochina over say o ma no ba on betimi ayama and they be a 1 week once no at least woman be 3 weeks ago omo won e be omo ya omo de be hihye ba na be boa but even if it is a short notice be 3 days they can do it but omo ye ni say no say na okay amana ba ye bebre enti no you don't even know
a strong man so releasing
and also yeah and they are
Richie confirm mommy I think the strong man so releasing him
well enti no I think say yan crop for na omo prefer Friday no which is very bad because say nyum ni be bebre ya muina competition
consumers na
kakra bi and your friend say mo che enti na ba ye dia ne ho odin no and otimi ye de go through it is say be a certain be a D black and a certain strong man now release na a certain sakode bi so release ya kai we say attention be call sakode de so enti utimi hwe na bi a dey bi a obia de enimu no na wo de aba na attention na bi nso ayeden aba so because obi wo ha o ton aduane wo area bi o enye se waduane na ede but obia na eni ho no aduane fufuro bi anye dey eni ho eji se aduane fufuro bi si ho a masa ye ma de hu bi enti wo be fa ho na de ayeden adidia to se obi beba enti utimi strategize we so okay someone for call Friday then let me do beer Tuesday, Monday, Wednesday. Now me mean to me, before I do Friday now, I don't do any baby. Now me there no, at me I.
There's a similar me can a friend a compliment. I made because I do radio. I know how to wear one day strong man day. We say and then no release you. Obeti me a comfort D black day so and then and the D black so release you. And because of our Fridays need or me na matching.
Okay.
And just starting back after 12. It's Saturdays normal now. After 12, you go Twitter, kunkrum, ubenya notifications. My dream one was a pass a man you be that.
I think that they have studied a trend. Say weekdays maybe people are working, people are busy. Into attention to me, then weekends they are going into weekends. You know, you're releasing that ammonia attention now but in this digital era, some of these things doesn't work. And
don't
even
restrict yourself like that.
Yes, because they are not practicing the proper way of distributing music, you know, and then I real and you know, they say, why release it now? They are two online. Stores, no, your negotiation, I'll bet me on my qua, or bet me a place, you know, in some chats, in some connections, we are plugging, you get your attention.
D black day. And also a year.
And also
29.
To me, the only say be a 1%.
A beautiful clients ever quack and Sunday.
But I don't believe, say, platforms so that
videos they are able to release their videos like anytime.
Exactly.
But the audios,
yes.
Often,
yes. It's a your choice. And I say, answer your friend. But online stores, you give them, say, this song, I want it to be premiered on this day. Then they will do it for you.
We are wrapping up. Chemo, Mami Tiwe, now,
they're all
kind of attention to this.
Yeah, me surprise, mommy. But I think the digital stores, no, before say, oh, Baba, oh, be true to date, or my recommendation. And that recommendation mostly to say the whole can after 12 AM no and I Fridays me like okay and I'm not could see the me my so by so now changing so one changing it there or more the recommendation.
I'm not sure people know
they are not yes. It means that they are not paying attention.
Yes, I'm not sure because
they can change. Me changing it to say they could do can. I mean, say do or me changing. Yes.
They are just accepting the.
And I know almost. I think they almost accepting recommendation. And they are quite so many now accepting recommendations. You know, and nothing about that. Because before so we choose not all my baby actually.
Because I've interviewed some artists. And now also releasing your Friday. No pay interview. No guys. Me knows oh. Monya adi obenya bi mu adi the next Friday.
Because o bi ana o mo recommendation o mo choose man no. Eno mo dey. And the sounds so ye 12 AM airport said the okay. And I think that so or
trying to change
yeah
for us.
Yes. They should pay attention
for us.
Yes.
Go every Friday. And you they say we are real core showbiz people.
Yes.
The business of Samina releasing.
Yeah.
But Samina has a song with the fear.
A bass and the obey loudest no any
really?
Yes. Now it's a winner takes all in creative space and na abem. So me na jabu mi sa ne dia. Wa obey loud no wo dey na be follow. Ma kind o ye lucky e bia later e no be pim. Because of that, there's almost strategizing. That time I'll be back out and making sure say baby Emma out. So it's almost steady system no. And son on my engineer and also be kwama or my distribution ma or mono. It's almost so almost yes. Almost distributors no. It's almost so a steady side no can. no mo on chere o mo adekunte bi e so mo change date and even time no so dey be favor or release time no no yeah they I'm not surprised me pay attention but how can you now me do one
I know this for sure. Almost all their songs they release them on Fridays. And to be on Friday no artist be 5
no bia there
release
but the video be too so me dey another voice na ka
then advice na bema chemo say o say na you register YouTube no and now register Facebook register number okay read these instructions. In fact we don't read I accept and we just some you can only read on Friday I accept
that's I mean I think it's a very good way pan we raising na so omo be hwe na omo so omo personally no omo adapt change bi and kebebo because I don't think say that 12 am na o train I'm trying to say digital stores and they distribute at that time. You bought 12 AM or US. You bought 12 AM or Switzerland.
Good.
So they are using almost system no time a boy my release and no more recommend the amount. Into one so I will ham one I own the grounds here. It's sometimes you can also switch small and change the strategies. I be a bit wow. But you see what Ghanaians will attitude be. I say obi nipa ba ko ya de bi na efa. Obi a be boss until say be before forever. Obi everybody obi a until na mobile money crowd does. Obi a be business go be mobile money business. Until no among try say be adapted to change because stores already, of course, they will make those recommendations for you. But one customer said, "I could do can one also be just oh, me per Thursday, 8 p.m. More distribute anyway, man." So I think they will give you some days for review. Or some hours for review. They will review it if it's everything is okay. They will distribute it for you. And not change say Fridays, and I'll be releasing. Yes, sir. When I will create an environment for the media and bloggers and those people you have been calling out, can't say now, on my limiting that you need to certain people, artists, industry favorite, artists for the then. One I'm more criticized because the moment is not best and period now a woman may be uncomfortable me and say penny. It will really do now most of religion on your man. A name ever call Momo and son about one, that also. A call, a corner horse and a coya, yen discernment, Mam Bashawdian. It's also per strategy. It's a call, I'm off for Friday, and now actually Wednesday, Tuesday. What the other crap I'm off for Bia to say, and man, try, give it a try. It'll be as our time now, so that farmer. Yeah. And they should just.
Where you put now, Munshia de Kakra, Senator Mokaino. I didn't back Friday, but also Tobo, Nakan Kakra, Diabetes, some other information. That's it. Me call London and because me and my brother DJ Slim, Ghana Music Awards UK, on the official DJ or event in mind. I can't say, say, the Bushia News and Hoka News. I say, I said,
be careful.
And they move back. And Bushia and Hoka News, this is step D, a year kitchen at Jumabiwa. Na I said some Flex TV for sending the Biamu Bridge. I am there, Mudiji, or so Brady. Fair. And I from free. So I did nice one at their brain. And today, no, Abba, I say,
customized.
And a government run. Wow, intimate, just assorted.
Wow, okay.
They rub no flex now, Bob. Wow. Could you be any back on this day now? They are not their canon. The bomb pie Yeah, not the account. If you can't need a macaroni.
See now for two.
Yeah, report. Wow, so let me mention their name. Mini Cakes. Straight front, I'm sure it's Mensa, yeah. And Mensa, that is Mini Cakes by and Mensa. And the number in now has 054 40543850 like very beautiful mini cakes. In fact, enter the company mini cakes. More brandy amount. What it means, I'll be a wedding. Obey party be a year people have a song pictures and to swap. They can do something like this for you. Wow, this is so beautiful. This is so beautiful. There are more my testimony one dance here now. Tasting is believing.
So now I come now.
Look, a bit local. Maybe another thing.
But yeah,
I say,
Where chocolate?
maybe the other. Oh, the other thing. I saw from. How far me a day?
All family. I think they chocolate.
Oh wow, this is nice.
My man, banshee.
Oh, I don't know sugar baby.
There we go. In a bee.
When you let me answer, you let me answer, and I'm sorry.
I'm not with that now.
Okay,
so back to the other day.
You really are sending the production for. This is not the best time to produce.
Oh my God. Alright, so mini cakes. Thank you so much. Oh, your number. Okay, they will brand it beautifully for you. That's what they've done for us. They made sure our logo, Summit Flex TV is on it and Charlie. Big ups. DJ Slim, shout out to you for this very beautiful one. We appreciate you guys. Hey, Medical Hey, Bibi Sa was Nana. No, Bibi for
okay. Let's talk about
it's when we now are home.
Hey, we
must be a rock band to say. Wow. Not every music now. Wow. It's sweet.
The coffee.
I'm off a bit to Sonoma.
They would be master.
Japon.
Oh, Japon. Oh,
we are not sweet, but sugar level here. Because they are best sweet, but sugar level. Sugar level here, fine. I will be tasty back. When you're back.
Yeah,